Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. I have a penny signal. Let's get it. Thought there was 2 signals for a second. About 2 inches. Shake, shake, shake. That's not it. Let's use some of this water. That didn't really help out at all. Cancel? Slag? Oh yeah, that was it. Just make sure. Yep. I have a penny dime signal. Let's get it. 3 inches. 3 inches. Some more slag. Don't see anything. All right, you gotta quit dumping it like that. Working extra hard. Shake, shake, shake. I don't hear anything yet. There it is. It's a half green dime. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a jumpy signal. Alright, stabilized on penny. Let's get it. About 2.5 inches. What is that? Shake, shake, shake. I thought I saw something big and circular. More slag? Oh, there it is. Yeah, aluminum slag. Into the pouch. Find some big cancel out right there. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a one-way signal. So, I'm gonna go ahead and guess that's trash of some sort. Let's get it. Five and a half inches. 5 inches right here. Let's see what it is. It's calling it a nickel. All right. Shake, shake, shake. It's gonna be some long shaking. Not really sand, it's all shells. Or it's really coarse. course. Wow, that is the thinnest pull tab I've ever seen. It is, wow, it is worn out. Into the pouch. I have a jumpy signal. No VDI. Let's get it. It's iron. 4 inches down this way. Four inches out. Why am I digging iron? I don't know. Because it's fun? You haven't had a target in a while? Look at that thing. Holy cow. Glad to get that off the beach. I have a one-way signal here. Let's get it. Four inches. 3.5 inches right here. Man. Chunk of iron. Into the pouch. I have a jumpy penny miscellaneous signal. Let's get it. Pull tab range. About 3 inches right here. It's calling it a dime, so that's a win. If it's a dime. Nope, I see it. It's totally not a win. Chunk of iron. Into the pouch. I have a one-way dime signal. That's never good when it's one way. Let's get it. Four and a half inches. 4 inches. Right here. Let's see what can make a one-way dime signal. Is it another piece of iron? Big old chunk of rust in there? Shake, shake, shake. We'll see it. Is this more slag? Yep. Into the pouch. All right, I have a penny dime signal. Let's get it. 2.5 inches, 2 inches. I thought I saw it. More slag? Holy cow. Into the pouch. 2122 nickel signal. Let's get it. About 1.5 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, thought I saw a big old chunk of... Yeah. Man, somebody was laughing at me saying I find the most cancel. I dig it all, man. Hello everyone, welcome to the wrap-up. As you can see, I had a busy day of cleaning off the beach. I did dig up a whole lot of sharp, jagged pieces. I'm glad to get that off the beach. I did find 15 cents and 2 shark teeth. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends. Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies.